be here. Okay, wave. Hello, who are you? Vincent. How old are you, Vincent? 13. You're 13 already? No, I don't think so. You are only 9. No? 14? 9? No, you're 13. No, 12.
No, 30.
Ta-da. Hello. May I have your name, please?
Bernard Magdaleno.
Huh?
Bernard Magdaleno.
Bernard? How old are you, Bernard?
9.
9. Okay. And you?
15 Kisley.
Huh?
15 Kisley.
What he say?
15 Kisley.
And slowly.
15
Kristen?
Kisley.
Kristen.
Clifton.
Kristen.
Clifton. See you later.
Clifton. How old are you, Clifton?
12.
12? Very good. And you?
Shaki, welcome.
Huh?
Shaki, welcome.
Shaki?
Welcome.
Welcome? Welcome? Your name is Welcome?
Shakil, welcome.
Shaki, welcome. Oh, my English. How old are you?
9.
9? Very good. So you and you are same age? See? 9. 9. 13, 14?
14.
14? Really?
14.
Yeah?
Carter,
And you are
14.
12. Ta-da.
Misalnya polar, iya ada Yuno.
Ta-da.
Orang 14. Orang 15 July.
Ta-da. And you? Hello.
Roshani.
How old are you?
14.
14. Oh, you are 14. And you're the biggest, no? Oh, but same height. So everyone go to the school together?
Yes.
Yes? Where is the school? Is it near? Ah, thank you so much. Oh, what's this? Oy. Oh, looks so good. Ta-da. Ta-dum, ta-dum, ta-dum. I like your hairstyle. Okay, wait. Oh, let me take the photo because I think it's very cool.